The video you just watched was made using the free AI platforms that I'm going to show you in this video. I'll be honest with you, I'm tired of constantly hunting for the best AI tools to create videos for free. Most of them are all the same. You get a trial, generate a few clips, and then it's over. Want to keep going? Pay up. That ends today. I found 3 AI tools that generate videos completely free, and they can handle any type of video you throw at them. Each one is different, so stick around for the one that fits what you're trying to make. And because I know a lot of you want something that's not just free, but unlimited, I'm also showing you a tool where you can generate videos using VO3 or Grok with no cap. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. The AI platforms I'm going to be showing you in this video require a very strict startup process. So if you want to access Seedance 2.5, make sure to stick with me and don't skip a step. Now, this is the very first AI platform that I'm going to be showing you in this video. And right from the get-go, you can see that the interface looks really, really good. You can head over here and click on AI creation, and you'll be loaded over to this interface where you can see you have an image and video model that you can test out. And if you hover over video, you can see that you can now use Seedance 2.5 completely for free using this AI platform. But before we test this out, let's test out the image generator by clicking right here. And you can see for the models we have Seedream 5 Pro available as well. But for this, I'm going to be leaving it at Seedream 4.5 because it works just great, and you can type in any prompt of your choice. For example, I can keep it simple and say, image of a dog on the street, just like this. And all that's left to do is choose the aspect ratio, which I will go with one by one. I can also choose the style. They have lots and lots of styles available, all the way from realistic portraits to anime and even children's drawings. Each and every one of these is just great. Now, all that's left to do is click right here on Generate, and our image is currently being generated. Why I love this platform is that it doesn't take much time at all to generate. While it's generating, make sure to stick around because I'm going to be showing you 3 more amazing platforms where you can access Seedance 2.5, and the last one is actually the best. Okay, in no time at all, our image is done generating, and the quality you get with this is just astonishing. It has generated our images with no problem at all. No weird morphing, no distortion, and you can download them straight into your device with the click of a button. Now that I've shown you how to generate images in order to use Seedance 2.5, which is the main reason most of you are here, click right here on Create Video, and the interface should change just like this. If you click on Models once again, you can see that Seedance 2.5 is now available for you to use, and you can type in a simple prompt of your choice. For example, I can say, "Man walking down the street with an umbrella under the rain," and this prompt is just great to test it out. You can also choose the duration, where you are actually limited to 10 seconds. But stick around and I'll show you how to get the full 30 seconds of AI video that you get with Seedance 2.5. So now, choose the aspect ratio, and once again, I'll go with one by one. Now, all that's left to do is click right here on Generate, and our video is currently being generated using the Seedance 2.5 model, which is just great. And this right here is the video we got. Let's just take a moment and play the video. And honestly, that was just great. No weird morphing, no distortion at all, and that's the amazing capability you get with Seedance 2.5. You can click right here and download it straight into your device. Now, this is the second AI platform I'm going to be showing you. And most people don't talk about this platform. I'm sure most of you don't even know that you can use this platform to get realistic AI videos that are just as good as Seedance 2.5, which was released a few days ago. Because if you click on the plus button right here and hover over Create Video, you can see that you can then type in your prompt to generate a video. For this, I'm going to be using the exact same prompt we used for the previous AI platform to test out the comparisons between these two AIs. So all I'm going to do is paste it in just like this and choose the aspect ratio, which I'll go with one by one, and you can send this over just like this, and our AI video is currently being generated. Now, do keep in mind that these platforms are completely free for me and you to use, and the links to the platforms will be in my Discord. The link to my Discord is in the description below, so do well to join if you want the links to each and every one of these platforms. Okay, now our video is done generating. Let me play this.
Almost there.
And wasn't that just great? It even generated our video with audio, and the quality and everything is just great. What's amazing about this platform is that they even have an image generator that's even better than the top paid models out there, because if you click on the plus button once again, you can see where it says Create Image. Now, all you have to do is click on it and type in a simple prompt of your choice. I can keep it simple by saying, man drinking coffee in a cafe just like this. And you can select the image model, which of course will be going with image 3. For the aspect ratio, I'm going to leave it at 1:1. Now all you have to do is click on Generate, and our image is currently being generated. In a couple of seconds, I'll show you why I said that this AI platform is a beast. Make sure to stay tuned, because after this, I'm going to be showing you the last AI platform on the list, which is truly the best. And this right here is the image we got with this AI platform. And it's honestly just great. No weird morphing, no distortion, and it adhered to the prompt perfectly. Once again, you can download it by clicking right here and download it straight into your device. Now, this right here is the last AI platform I'm going to be showing you, where you can generate free AI videos. In order to do this, all you have to do is type in a simple prompt. For example, I can say a woman walking down a busy sidewalk, just like this, and you can choose the duration, which I'll leave at 5 seconds. For the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go with 1:1. Having everything set, all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and your video is currently being generated. Just give this a couple of seconds while it generates a video for us. And do keep in mind that we are using these AI platforms completely for free. The links to each and every one of these will be in my Discord. The link to my Discord is in the description below, and once you join, you will see the PDF pack with all the links. Okay, so now our video is done generating. Let me play this and take a look. And wasn't that just great? The quality you get with this AI platform is just astonishing. And they as well have an image generator, because if you hover over here on image and click on it, you'll be loaded over to this interface where you can type in simple prompts of your choice. For example, I can say man reading a book, sitting on a bench in a park, just like this, and you can choose the model, where you can see we have some of the top models here, and most of them are completely free to use. For this, I'm gonna go with image motion, and for the aspect ratio, I'll once again take it to 1:1. Now, what's left to do is click on Generate, and our image is currently being generated. This doesn't take much time at all. In just a few seconds, we have this beautiful, high-quality image right here. And you can see that we still have most of our free credits intact. You do get 200 free credits every single day, which makes this completely unlimited for me and you. Now, that brings us to the end of this video. If you've watched up to this point, make sure to comment down video generator so I'll know you made it to this point. And don't forget the links to the platforms will be in my Discord. The link to my Discord is in the description below.